Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their costs with our online template kits. As an employer, you may be wondering whether you can make your employees pay for and wear uniforms. According to the Fair Work Act, employees can't be forced to use their wages to buy work-related items if the requirement is unreasonable. What is considered unreasonable will depend on the circumstances of each case. Fair Work regulations shed some further light on the matter. Generally speaking, a cost is reasonable if it is the same or no less favourable than would be offered to the general public. This may certainly prevent an employer from forcing their employees to pay excessive amounts for uniforms. However, it is arguable whether it prevents an employer from requiring staff to pay for their uniforms in the first place. Likewise, if an employer has a dress code in place, it is unlikely that it would need to reimburse its workers for complying with the code. In addition to these Fair Work provisions, you should also check the specific award that applies to your industry. Regarding the retail industry specifically, uniforms are often required of staff. While a retail employer can certainly require its workers to wear a uniform, the General Retail Industry Award states that it cannot force them to bear the cost. A retail employer must also reimburse its employees for the cost of laundering or may opt to launder the clothing itself. Failing to pay your employees an allowance they are entitled to falls within the definition of wage theft and can attract heavy financial penalties. We therefore recommend doing your research or seeking advice before requiring your staff to pay for their uniforms. For more information about payments for uniforms, you can check out the link to our article below.